Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to clean your lunchbox quick, easy, simple, or any coolers that has been really bad, or in this case is really dirty. Let me show you. See how nasty that is? See that? And then I'm going to open it up and I'm going to show you. See that? Inside is all dirty. Okay? Quickest way. You have to get Drano. Yes, you heard it right. Drano, but not any Drano. It has to be the Max Gel Drano. Okay? And you're gonna need just something to apply with. In this case, I just use a shower brush cleaner, and it's good to clean that too. It'll come out really nice and clean. And then just a little tiny brush if you want, just to brush a little bit, and a little container to put your Drano in. So, and of course you're gonna need something to rinse with, but I'm gonna show you really quick and easy and simple. Pour your Drano in here, just a little bit, enough to cover. Okay, and first and foremost, you're gonna need this little part right here. So pour it onto here. Probably have to pan the camera out a little bit so you can see. Well, that's as far as it can go. Okay, I'm gonna move this up a little bit. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is pour it onto here and just wet it. Just wet this area, okay? All you have to do is wet it. And see how it's already coming out already? See? Just that alone, you already came out already. You want it to wet this. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to pause the video so it won't be too long, and I'm going to get a little bit of water because I need a little bit of water. I have to get some water. Be right back. Okay, so I'm back, and it didn't take long, as you can see. It already came off already. I didn't even do anything yet. You see that? I haven't even touched anything yet. I just went and get some water and came back, and look what happened. In reality, you don't even have to do anything. I can tell you right now. You don't even need to get a brush. That's just optional. But in reality, you don't need the brush. I'm just trying to peel the tape off. So I got some more water and Drano. This time I got a little bit extra water, maybe a cup of water, and then just soak it. And see that? Just go like that. All you have to do is soak it. You don't have to brush, you don't have to do anything. And look, it already came off already. See? Magic of Drano. You see that? I didn't even brush. I just brushed. I didn't do anything yet. I just added the water, and it disappeared right in front of your eyes. You can do this to a lot of stuff. You can even clean your car with it. See? I just soaked it. That's it. Okay, I soaked it. Now I'm going to open the inside and show you the inside, how dirty it is. Look at that. Look how dirty that is in the inside. And I'm going to do the same thing. I pour it in here, rub it all around. Whoops. Remember, if you are planning to touch this, make sure to put some gloves on, okay? Because Drano is harsh on the finger. I got my stuff right there. And watch out for your clothes too. It does take like stuff off if you get them on your clothes, so watch out, okay? Like in this case, look at my arm. I already have a spot already. It's gonna be a little white spot right there. I don't care though. But for you, if you care about your clothes, see? I didn't even do anything yet. I just rub on. Hasn't even. I didn't even use the brush yet. And look. Look how white it came already. Now I'm gonna leave it right there. Rinse my. I have to rinse my hand because I don't want the bleach on it. And dry it off. I'm gonna pause the video to have a little less time on this. And as you can see, the dirt is falling off. Okay. So you can see, I didn't even scrub yet. And look, remember the inside? Look at that. I didn't even use the scrub yet. Because look, my hand is still dry. And look, this is still dry. It already came off already. I didn't have to do anything. I didn't have to scrub or anything. This is just optional, like the stuff that is really dark, but you don't have to, because see? There's nothing to scrub left. Well, it's right here, but I don't know what. Even this food, like some of the food is gone. See? I'm not doing anything. Look at that. I mean, these are tape. It won't come off because I have to use glue gun for that. But you see, I have to scrub here because I haven't done those because those are covered by this stupid thing. But you see, that's it. I don't have to do anything. Now I just have to rinse off basically. Even down here, I haven't seen that one. Oh, I spilled some Drano. I wonder if to take oil off. Maybe for next video. Inside here needs a little help though. I don't know how to open that fucking thing. Still dirty inside, but you see how I didn't do anything? I didn't do shit. Alright, now I'm gonna go and rinse that off. Let's see. Best thing to do is to rinse off all your stuff though. You have to do that. I'm gonna go down here. Need to go downhill. Rinse that up downhill. Put it down on there. I don't know why I even bother washing this shit. It wasn't even touching. Okay, and this part here. My Drano bottle. My container. And then the lunchbox. See that? Look how nice and white that is. Same thing over here. These here, that won't come off because that's taped. See all these? That has to be removed by like a heating gun Goo Gone. And look at the inside. Look how white that is. My only advice, anything that would remove color, you might want to test that first. But if it's white stuff, you don't have to worry. I haven't tried this on paint yet. I don't know if it'll remove paint or not. So that's my warning. It's the only warning I got. Paint and anything, the clothing. Watch out for clothing, because Drano do make your your clothes like come out white, spotless. Like if you have color. You see that? See how easy and fast that was? In less than 5 minutes. I don't even know how long this stain is. Now that's what it looks like. Look how white that is. These won't come off. There's only little tiny specks of white. I think that's just scratches and then dirt comes in there. That probably had to leave for a little while. So if you leave Drano on a little while, you'll be good. You can see how fast this video is. And I was able to clean. I wasn't even cleaning. I just rub it on and left it there. And look. The inside is freaking crystal clear. You see that? Except for that little round spot. I think that's more than, it's scratching and dirt underneath, but if you leave it long enough, remember, I'm trying to do this under 5 minutes. But if you leave it long enough, I'm pretty sure it'll come off. But other than that, that's about it. Look at that. White and nice. Comparing to before and after. I'm gonna take a picture of afterward. And I'm gonna show you how nice and white that is. Except for this part, like I said, that's tape. I'm gonna have to remove that with these little tape spots right here. It won't come off. I have to peel it. I should have peeled this before I do this. But see, it's tape. But that's how easy and fast it was. Shit. It's really hard to get that off though. Damn. These tapes stuck in a long time. Must have got stuck there for a long time. Look at that. Let's see. Piece of tape. Same thing, I have to get some Goo Gone, get that off. Drano won't get that off. Drano will get like dirt specks and stuff. But see how nice and white that is now? Other than that, that's about it on this video. I'm gonna pan it out a little bit so you can see on both sides. See that? Back to crystal white again. Other than that, that's about it.